Do you want to know everything about expansion joints, why they are important, and how they work? Stay with me and I'll explain it in 1 minute. When we talk about expansion joints, we are talking about one of the most important elements of an industrial floor. Their function is simple: to allow the concrete to move without cracking in an uncontrolled way. But over time, joints deteriorate. They accumulate dirt, are subjected to constant impacts, and become one of the most vulnerable parts of the floor. The consequences can range from damage to forklift and machinery wheels to cleaning, safety, and hygiene issues. That is why a proper repair goes far beyond simply filling an opening. At BECOSAN, we analyse every joint, remove deteriorated materials, and apply sealing systems designed to accommodate concrete movement while withstanding intensive industrial traffic. The result is a stronger, safer joint that is ready to keep working. Because maintaining a joint is not just about protecting one part of the floor, it is about protecting the entire pavement. If you would like to know whether your joints need repair, contact the BECOSAN technical team. And if you would like more information, visit the links in the video description.